Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings to everybody, greetings to Somalis. Today I wanted to speak up about specifically Ahmed Rashid and this gentleman by the name Shahiyo. Who is Shahiyo? Shahiyo is a cartel, drug dealer and smuggler. Cartel who was responsible for drug dealings in Eastleigh and Pangani. Shahiyo, he was operating a criminal activities at Luna Park, Pangani, from 2017 through 2019. Who is Shahiyo? Shahiyo was also responsible for smuggling girls, underage girls, from northeastern Garissa to Eastleigh, Kenya. He was enjoying protection. He was being protected by Ahmed Rashid because they are coming from the same clan and they are coming from the same heritage and they are coming from the same bloodline. Shahiyo is a cartel, smuggler, drug dealers, and he was using Ahmed Rashid SUV car. Why was he driving Ahmed Rashid's car, SUV car, to transport ladies, underage girls from Garissa all the way down to Eastleigh? Because he knew that he was being protected and enjoyed protections from his cousin Ahmed Rashid. Shahiyo is related. He's related through clan, tribe, affiliation and bloodline with Ahmed Rashid. So he was given permission to run and operate criminal activities at Luna Park. Why do you think he was arrested on February 2019? Shahiyo was arrested on February 2019 as a result of so many complaints that was lodged to Pangani OSPD, OCS and Nairobi Regional County Commander. The matter was escalated and it was complained to Internal Affairs, and also the matter was also complained to Ministry of Interior through a program called Mulika. Shahiyo is a very, very drug dealer. Why do you think all these drugs from cocaine, blue pills, codeine, he was doing all this supplying within Eastleigh, and he was operating these activities at Luna Park location in Pangani, and he was enjoying, because this operation or these activities was only happening at night. And why at night? Is because Ahmed Rashid only works at night and he provide protections to all these people who run these different type of activities, and he was enjoying and he was being protected because they're coming from the same tribe and clan. Ahmed Rashid is frustrating all other Somalis who are not Ogaden. Shahiyo is a criminal. Shahiyo is a criminal, drug dealer and smuggler, and he was being protected by Ahmed Rashid. Thank you.